Okay, what we're going to look at now is a concept in Lean that Taiichi Ono, the architect of the Toyota production system, called Autonomation. All automation is some kind of device in our system that automatically stops a process to prevent a defect or problem. This is different from automation, which it sounds a lot like. We think of automation as something that we use to replace workers or the operator and do it more efficient or fast or that kind of thing in our idea of automation. Automation is a totally different philosophy. It's a tool for extending or multiplying the effort of the value-adding team member in our value stream. Examples of automation is a tension detector on a roll feeder. An improper tension stops the feed. Or a sensor that we use to check for a part and see if it's in its proper position. If it's out of position, that part being out of position stops the equipment. We have proximity switches that lower piles and pile stackers. As the pile increases, the stack is lowered automatically, or if it should get too high, it may stop the process. Or in a printing press, we have a sheet detector finger, and whenever it feels at the right time that the sheet is missing, then it automatically raises the print cylinder. So automation sounds a lot like the autonomic nervous system, which is exactly what Taiichi Ono compared automation to. Autonomic nervous system controls breathing and heartbeat and those kinds of things in the body, and you never have to think about them. Unless something goes wrong, then all of a sudden they bring it to your attention. Well, this is exactly what happens in automation, that the process runs without check it or think about it until something goes wrong and then it automatically stops. So there's a balance in automation that we try to achieve, and that is the automatic versus the human touch. So the first step when we think about automation is that we detect the abnormalities, the automatic part, and then we automatically stop the process. Now we involve the human, so the stopping, or there's a signal that gets given to the human being to come in and correct the immediate condition and get the process started again. Also, we either decide at this point we're going to do a root cause, or we make a note that we're going to come back and install a countermeasure to keep that from happening again. So, automation, once again, is a tool for our value stream team member that greatly multiplies his ability to eliminate waste or improve value, and it really does extend his expertise and his effort while relieving that operator of monotonous tasks.